In this lesson, you'll be learning the basics of how to program a simple catching game. This example is called Space Invaders. You can see that when I'm moving the rocket, it's catching stars. Each star caught scores a point. So you'll be learning how to create a score variable and also how to create a timer, which you can see there. So let's take a look at the code and how to do this programming. First thing we do is click create, and then we go ahead to create our background. To do that, we click on the stage here and then costumes tab. In my case, I'm creating a Space Invaders game, so I fill the background black and I'm using specks of white to create the effect of stars. I'm going to stick with the cat as my main sprite, but you'll notice that I'm not able to move it around yet, and the reason for that is I haven't programmed it to move. So to program the controls, what I'm going to do is click on the controls panel and I'm going to use an if block, and inside that if block I'll be putting a when space key pressed. I'll obviously change the space key to up arrow, and inside that if block I'm going to put my motion blocks of code, so pointing in 0 degrees, which is up, and moving 10 steps, and if on edge, bounce. Now what I can do is just duplicate this block of code and just make minor modifications for the other directions in which I want the sprite to move when I use the different arrows. As soon as that's done, I can simply join them together like a jigsaw, and I need to make sure that I put all of that inside a forever block, so the computer forever checks those conditions being met. And on top, a when green flag clicked block of code, so it's executed when I click the green flag. So now I can move around my cat, but you'll notice it spins upside down sometimes. To avoid this, what I can do is click on the eye here and change the rotation style to horizontal. So now when I move the cat around, up, down, left, right and so on, it remains upright.